ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಮಲಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ initiative by the MPE Society and the Institute of Excellence in Research and Dr. Bhandari and Associates Commerce Academy, because you are setting up something unique, something special in Honavar, and you should claim credit for that. Congratulations, sir. And you very well deserve this congratulations, because you are kind of a path breaker in Honavar in this. How many students are there in this hall who are already registered? Can you just stand up for a minute? What about the boys? Oh, wow. I thought there are no boys. 6, sir. You are 6, sir? Some are absent? Okay, okay. The rest of you, please look at these people. Elder also nodibadi. Yaru enanta gottadapadi, because these are the people who are path breaking in this foundation course, and they very well deserve a very big round of applause for making this happen. Thank you very much. Please move forward. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. How many of you know, we recently India had the Chandrayaan, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Chandrayaan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What happened in Chandrayaan? Hello? ಹೇಳಿ. ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ India sent a rocket to launch and it landed in Chandra, hello, moon. Can you tell me who was the first person to step on the moon? Huh? Neil Armstrong. Who was the second one? Only he knows, the rest of you don't know. Because he teaches that in the school. Right? So, the people who just stood up, some 17 of them, they are the Yaru. Huh? Yarama. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೇಳಿ. The first one who went up or stepped on the moon, you are equal to that, because you are the ones who are going into this course for the first time. So I request rest of you in the hall also to join in this group, because this opportunity comes only once, being the first. Second opportunity never follow us, but you are going to be the leaders. So I request each one of you to take it up in a big way, because Bhandari sir already explained to you. You have 2-3 attempts to complete your PUC, and they have planned another batch which will happen immediately after the PUC results, and I request each one of you to take it up. How many of you feel CA is very difficult? Kashta. Kai mela agbe kashta sero. Yarilla. Very good. Sir, you are 150 people. Or maybe 200 of them. Gautam mother. Okay. Yeah. Kashta. ಇದ್ದದರಿಂದ ಸಿಎಂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಜನರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಫಾರ್ 3 years or 4 years, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 30, 40, 50 years of life becomes ಏನು ಗಮ್ಮತ್. Right? So all those, the efforts what you put in the first 3-4 years will give you results, and it will make your life much better and enjoyable and purposeful. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, PUCಗೆ 3 ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಈಸಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಟ್ of course the government is thinking it in a different way, because the examination system is changing in most of the professional colleges, where there are examinations called which are open book examination, where you keep the book beside answer sheet, refer the book and answer the examination. Because the education system doesn't want you to ಬಾಯ್ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುವುದಲ್ಲ. They want you to develop knowledge, and that is what is the future, and that is why the so-called Western world has better education and people go for it from here. Yakandre they develop knowledge rather than just ಬಾಯ್ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So that is what is coming into India also, because NEP is bringing that in a very big way, and that you are at that plus point. As our Prime Minister says, Amrit Kal is the last bit, next 25 years is your time. Number time is by there. And the Nayakaradaಲ್ಲ 25 years at least ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, but still that is the right time for you to grow. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? But this is a time for you to study, put in efforts. Because if you miss that particular time, you are going to miss that time forever in your life. So please, you have the college and the institution has offered you this kind of facility. Please take it up. Gautam also mentioned, when I did my CA, there was no coaching, there was no teaching. We had to learn ourselves. There are self-study, more self-studies. But for final, I had to travel to Chennai to attend some classes. Not all, few of them. Right? So here, it has come to your place to attend. So please take the opportunity, grab the opportunity and work on it. This is some for the people who have registered, and those who have not registered, maybe in future, I expect you to register for CA. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅ CA ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ದೋಸ್ 24 hours. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ 70 hours, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 24 ಇಂದ 7 hours ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾ? 17, right? So in that 17 hours, another 7 hours you leave. ಮಲಗೋದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, 10 ಕುಳಿತ, right? Out of that 10 hours, how many hours you should study? 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಟಿವಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾ? Right? You have 9 hours, right? Keep 1 hour for relaxation, 8 hours. 8 hours studies is very important, right? 8 hours studies are very important. Sleep, I told you 6 to 7 hours. 5 to 6 hours is normal, is enough for anybody. 8 hours is maximum. 10-12 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಲಗೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. You will develop something else in your health and related. So try to plan your number of hours per day and do it. And you have to do it from today. Examination timetable ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ you have to do it from today. And as you are nearing the exam, your Facebook and WhatsApp time will also add it to your study time. Your free 1 hour also added to your study time. So make that 8 to 10 hours of study every day. Then passing CA is just easy. Very easy. If I remind my clock and I say how with my hours I used to spend, my classes used to start at 6 o'clock. That means I used to leave my PG or hostel wherever I was staying for about 5 or 5:50. 8 class, back, have breakfast, study. Again afternoon lunch, another class. Again evening tea, another class. Then study. Of course, in between I used to go for night show movies also. That's a part. But I wanted to unwind. Entertainment ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ. But diversion ಬೇಕು, WhatsApp ಬೇಕು, Facebook ಬೇಕು. But you should restrict it to a particular time. And that's it. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಬಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನನಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ CA ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. BCom ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ PU ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ CA ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ತಪ್ಪಾದರೂ ಸಹ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ತಪ್ಪಾದರೂ ಸಹ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಾಟ್. ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರದಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೋ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕಲಿತರೆ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು CA ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ, 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ? 90, 100 ಬಂದಿದ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು 10th. ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ connection with the people like your teachers, your friends, your mentors, and they are the people who build your personality. Anta environment alli idare you automatically study more, automatically try to be developing the brightness in your studies. So please do that. And the other day we had 26th January we had presentation of CA students who passed out final exam. There were about 28 of them. 28 of them. When I passed, there were only 3 in Bangalore. And 3 to 28 is 10 times. See, the opportunity for you, it is 10 times today. ಒಂದಿದ್ದದ್ದು 10 ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಬೈ. ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಿಂದ PUC ತನಕ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗದೆ CA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಲೂಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ 40%, 50%. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 40 ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ 50, ರೈಟ್? 1-2 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟರ್. 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ 200 ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ರೈಟ್? I'll be with you now for some time, or maybe on the stage or off the stage, wherever I go. You can ask any questions if you want, because I don't know what kind of knowledge or information you are looking for, and I'm open to answer any questions if you have with regard to the curriculum, specific Gautam maybe, because I'm not very specific on the topic, the subject, what we do, how many marks, or all those things. But the rest of the things, if you want to go through the CA journey, you are always welcome to connect with me. Sir, I think took all the introduction from my website. So for your information also, I have a website, mn5.in. There are my contacts, there is my email, everything. If you need any assistance, you are always welcome to connect with me, and it will be a pleasure to help you, because I have received such help from my mentors, and I would like to just pass it on to the people like you. So with that, thank you very much. Please ask questions.